That's the line. That's what we didn't want you to do. Stop. That's guys. So back yourself off. Let's get you. Trying to go driver. Yeah. Go driver. A little more. A little more, and then back right off. I want you to get off this little side hill because everything wants to go that way. All right. We'll go a little more driver, a little bit more driver, I guess. Back up. Matter of fact, drop yourself off a bit.
Keep driver?
Yeah, stay right there. Get yourself off the there. See how it loves to do it? See that? Keep going, you're fine. You're fine now. Now we're going to go passenger. Come right at me.
Straight wheels?
Yep, you're fine. Come right at me.